Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cellular data is not working on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If cellular data is not working after iOS 16 update, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly you have to open setting and just simply tap on cellular data, and then you have to turn off cellular data at least for 30 or 40 seconds, and then turn it on again, and then check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And just simply you have to tap on cellular data option and make sure that if data roaming is turned on, and also make sure that if you have checked on 4G or 5G, and then go back from here and make sure that your raw data is turned off, and then go back from here. Just simply go to the network selection and make sure that if it's turn the tool on for automatic, and then go back from here and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And once it is there guys, just simply have to open setting and then turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it off, and then scroll it down, tap on channel, scroll it down, then tap on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is correct, and also make sure that you have set automatically. Or then go back from here, and after that check the form has been fixed or not. And other forms like this there guys, then you have to open setting, then scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply update your device. Then open settings from here, and then you have to scroll it on, tap on general, then scroll it on, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, tap on reset network setting. Here you have to put the passcode, and just simply you have to tap here reset network setting to confirm the process. This will delete all network setting returning them to factory false, and after that check whether the form has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply remove sim tray from your device, and just simply clean sim tray or clean sims, and then insert it, and then you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.